Hello everyone, welcome back to our Medical Brain YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about a very important topic, that is blood pipettes. And the blood pipettes are mainly used in the laboratories for the purpose of blood cells counts. And there are three different types of blood pipettes. The first one is RBC pipette and it is used for the red blood cells count. And second one is WBC Pipette and it is used for the white blood cells count. And third one is Hb Pipette and it is used for the estimation of the hemoglobin. But in this video, I am going to discuss about the what are the parts of RBC and WBC pipettes and their differences. Come, let's see what are the parts of the RBC and WBC pipettes. The first is RBC pipette. The parts are, the edge part we will call it as a conical tip, and next part, this from ear to there, this part we will call it as a stem. Here we can see the round like structure, this part we will call it as a bulb. Inside the bulb there is a seed like structure, that seed like structure we will call it as a bead. And next part, this part we will call it as a rubbery tube. And next part, this part we will call it as a mouthpiece. And here we can see the numbering scales on this. Those numbers are written in 0.5, 1 and 101. These are the parts of the RBC pipette. And next, WBC pipette. It is similar to the RBC pipette, but there are some minor changes. What are the parts? The first part is the edge part. We'll call it as a conical tip. And next, from ear to there, this part we will call it as a stem. Here, this round like structure we will call it as a bulb. Inside the bulb there is a bead. It is in the seed like structure. And next part, this part we will call it as a rubbering tube. This part we will call it as a rubbering tube. And next part, this part we will call it as a mouthpiece. And here also we can see the numbering scales. Those numbers are written in the 0.5, 1 and the 11. These are the parts of RBC pipette and the WBC pipette. Come, let's see what are the differences between the RBC pipette and the WBC pipette. This pipette we will call it as a RBC pipette and this one is a WBC pipette. The first difference, in RBC pipette the mouthpiece is in the red in color. In WBC pipette, the mouthpiece is in the white in color. In RBC, the bulb is in the larger in size. In WBC pipette, the bulb is in the smaller in size. And next, in RBC pipette, inside the bulb, there is a seed-like structure. I already told that is bead. It is in the red in color. In WBC pipette, inside the bulb, there is a seed-like structure. That is the bead. It is in the white in color. Okay. And next, in RBC pipette, there are the differences like in numbering scales. In numbers that are 0.5, 1 and 101. Okay. And in WBC pipette, the numbering scales numbers are in difference like 0.5, 1 and the 11. These are the difference and parts of the WBC pipette and RBC pipette. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, follow our Medical Brain YouTube channel. Thank you.